Do you feel muscle or joint pains? It may happen for many reasons, from tension, excessive physical activities, or even because of a sedentary lifestyle. To help you relieve the post-workout soreness or help you with an exercise routine, it may be helpful to learn how to make your own muscle relief remedy. Did you know that this is possible? A natural and efficient alternative is ginger ointment. Learn this homemade recipe and avoid harmful chemicals. Ingredients: 1/2 cup of extra virgin coconut oil, 1/4 cup of beeswax grated or in tablets, 1 tablespoon of ginger powder, 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, 10 drops of lavender oil, and 10 drops of peppermint oil. Before teaching you the recipe, we will explain why these ingredients are used. Coconut oil will be used to dilute the essential oils and other ingredients, making it easier to use the ointment. Beeswax can be found in stores or on the internet. It will be used in the recipe because of its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. We already talked about ginger here on the channel. Just click on the suggested video to learn more about it. Ginger is great to relieve pain thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. It also fights degenerative diseases like osteoarthritis. Cayenne pepper also has pain relief properties. That's why it is included in the recipe. It also fights arthritis and low back pains. As we have seen in a recent video, lavender oil is great for migraines and headaches due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Peppermint oil is good for relaxing the muscles. This combination is just perfect. Are you liking the video so far? Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Now that we know what ingredients we need and what they are used for, learn how to make the recipe. In a pan, add coconut oil and beeswax and heat it over medium or low heat. Once they melt, add ginger powder and cayenne powder and mix thoroughly. Turn off the heat and let it cool. After that, add the essential oils and mix well. Now you just need to store it in a closed glass container and use it. Once it hardens, put a lid on it and keep it stored in a dark and cool place. Use this ointment whenever you have muscle or joint pains. But remember, do not ingest it. Do not apply it on your face or over open wounds or cuts. Do it and share your opinions with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.